Okay, we got the wheel off and we're looking here at the coilover. So what I'm going to do, we actually, since we're gonna to raise it, we're gonna move this very top collar. We're gonna actually move this one here counterclockwise to actually pull the spring out down here. So I went ahead and I loosened this up here by going counterclockwise, loosen that up a little bit, and then we're actually just going to raise this top one. So let's measure where it was at from collar to collar. Let's see, we were at 3.5, so I want to go probably to 4. So let's do that. Got some gloves on so I don't hurt my hands. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Really close to 3 3/4. Okay, so I'm thinking one more turn here and then tighten the bottom knuckle again. And then we'll remeasure once more. Okay, let's see here. So we got about 25 inches to the fender. Wow, they're super close now. So we got the front raised just enough, I think, to even it out. So we're gonna go on a test drive and see if that's high enough. It looks like maybe still a little bit too low, but we'll see how it goes.